How to make this. Record a clean plate of a box on one side of the frame, then record a clip of yourself jumping into that box. Move the box to the other side and film another clean plate in a second clip, then record yourself jumping out of that box. Import both clips into Capcut. Select the first clip with the empty box, tap freeze, then delete the right part. Do the same with the second clip, select clip 1, find your desired start and end points, tap split and delete the right part. Select clip 2, do the same but delete the left part. On clip 1, find the frame where you start jumping. Tap remove background, choose custom removal, and highlight only yourself. Do the same on clip 2, starting from the landing frame. Select clip 1, tap overlay. Do the same for clip 2. Move both clips into layer 3. Select the second freeze frame, tap overlay, and move it to layer 2. Extend both freeze frames to match the length of your clips in layer 3. Select the layer 2 clip, tap mask, choose horizontal, rotate it to 90 degrees, and add feathering for smoother blending. On the main clip, tap mask, choose horizontal, rotate to -90 degrees, and add feathering. Duplicate the first freeze frame and move it to layer 4 above clip 1. Tap split at the end of clip 1 and delete the right part. Select the clip, tap mask, rectangle, and position it over the front lip of the box down to the bottom. Scrub to the highest point of the jump in clip 1. Add a keyframe. Scrub to the landing point, resize your cutout, and drag it below the box. Keyframes will auto-apply. Tap the layer and rearrange the layers as needed so everything stacks correctly. On clip 2, scrub to the jump's peak, add a keyframe. Go to the start, shrink and reposition yourself to appear under the box. Duplicate freeze frame 2, move clip 2 to layer 4 and place the duplicated freeze frame 2 in layer 3. Tap mask, rectangle, and position the mask over the box front. Scrub to the peak of the jump in clip 2, tap the duplicated freeze on layer 3, hit split and delete the right side of the clip. Export your video. Follow me for more Capcut editing tutorials.